Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Coreldraw tutorial how to add text. So if you want to add text in Coreldraw, you can click on the text tools or you can press F8 to use the tools. Okay, you can click and then click on the canvas. After it, you can set for the fonts in here. Like I will set into again CFB, and then for the height set into 36, and then we use the bold. You can type like example text. If you don't, you can use the selection tools or pick tools to select the text object and move to the other area. Okay, that's it for basic CorelDRAW tutorial how to add text.